Hey guys, welcome to Local Channel Trading. Today we got for you a little live trading on GME just at the end of my trading day today. Today we traded a little bit longer as it's like just afternoon right now. Really a draining day. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in the video. As well, I highly recommend you guys check out the video I dropped yesterday on meditation, day trading music, you know, some brain frequencies to get you really into the state for trading. Released it in 4K. It took a while to actually process to 4K, but it's 4K up there now, so I highly recommend you guys check that out. So let's get into this video for today. And it pulls back, yeah. So earlier we took a L on this, a nice 5-minute setup there. Boom, ended up failing on that same candle, unfortunately. This is a really nice setup, another nice setup. I'm like, yeah, let's take that. Let's see. Really a rough day grinding. I had to recoup, you know, just so I can get back onto that mental position. Like there's certain circumstances, but we try to make it not get the best of us, you know. Right now I'm in a position where I see something that's making a setup, I want to trade it. This is making a really good setup actually. It tested the 9 moving average first 5-minute candle to make a new high. Like, it's a highly probable trade here. So our stop is of course under the moving average, you know, the low there of that pullback. I did take quite a few trades. Yeah, I want to hammer every opportunity that I seen, to be honest. A lot of them I've been getting hammered on those 1-minute trades though. The 5 minutes it's really at, so I was able to, you know, keep things consistent. Yesterday we taken a loss, but that was alright. It was just, you know, mainly that 1 minute, those 1-minute setups I've been getting hammered on. So it's really me going back to my roots, back to what I know works, is those clean 5-minute setups, and then, you know, boom, taking off while the money's available. Jimmy, we just gotta be patient here. Entry was at $16. We're down a point, but it's only 25 shares. If this candle makes a new low, this 5-minute candle makes a new low, I'm selling out, stopping out for a loss. I don't have the time to deal with GME. Because it moved choppy earlier today. It was a nice setup, but there was some momentum that came back into it. So let's see what we're able to do. I'm really, yeah, we have lots of space though, so that's really good. Let's see if we can get that momentum back. It's a nice, really nice setup. I mean, yeah, we can get a couple points up to 200, but I'm probably gonna take off sooner than that. Just you know, not really too much of a fan of this stock. but we traded it many times before. But yeah, but the main thing I want to focus on is like, yeah, we recognize we taken some losses on the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart super choppy. We've been trading small caps more recently, and you know, when I first started out trading, you know, I was running into those same occurrences, those same problems. And you know, what I did was just stick to those 5 minutes and take off when it was available. So that's what we're going to continue to do, just not try to deviate from our, you know, our strategy and what works for us, you know, really try to get the most of out of what we know how to do, right? Instead of giving back profits trading 1 minute setups. But if you found consistency and success trading 1 minute chart patterns, you know, whatever your style may be, then, you know, of course, do that, do what works, right? For me though, you know, it's a little bit more challenging, right? You have to be a little bit more faster. You want to have the right tools, better broker. Right now, light shares, we can't take too much of GME. Yeah, they're quite pricey. We could obviously take more, but we're coming down to our end of our trading day. We don't want to give back any profits. We did take a loss on SSY, but we made it back on a nice, really nice move when it was just popping up a couple minutes ago. This is taking its time. The 1 minute's looking nice, but yeah, all you have to do here is just be patient. Really don't think it's gonna go back to high. A day was 212. I really just want to get into this for the pop. If we wanted to go for that higher day move, it's gonna take a lot more time, right? That take time to develop to get to that point, just to get rejected. And it was going up strong with some momentum, so I'm gonna give it a little bit more. It doesn't really seem like, you know, it's doing really anything. I'm having a sense that, you know, due to this lack of momentum here, we might get a move down volatile in this next 5 minute candle. I'm getting the feels. So we just might take off. It's just a lot of time and commitment and struggle, mental strain, because GME, it's not the nicest. Until it makes that low and it stops us out, right? Well, yeah, GME. Two nice 5 minute setups, really nice 5 minute setups on GME. Fortunately, you know, a choppy trader, we still want to give it that opportunity, you know, because it is an A quality setup. Like, those were A quality setups right there. If I was more patient, my stop is under the VWAP, you know, then I'd wait. It could therefore, you know, right now it could still continue going up, right, without me, and that's no problem in this instance because it sucks strenuous. And yeah, I'm tired. It's like it's 12 o'clock. I only trade for like 2 hours max, and I don't even, you know, trade for that long. So yeah, that's our day. We could show you here. We've seen we attempted this so many times. This SSY long short. These were 1 minute setups we were looking for. We're risking real small every time. I think we lost on like every single time here, and then only one trade put us back into the green right after losing like 5 times because we're risking such small amounts for big potential. So, you know, our risk management on the 1 minute chart is actually really good. Me personally, I can't deal with that, you know. the losses after losses and losses, it starts to, you know, get into my head and, you know, just wears you out. Right, but we did enter on that 5-minute setup right here. It was boom to get momentum. We seen it curling back up and we wanted it to get break over the VWAB, and we got that move all the way to the top of that. It's still, you know, making a high and continuing, but no, we're done. We're super exhausted from these trades here. But yeah, we did take all good setups. Like we took really nice setups. This is where we gave back on that one. We got some moves on it. It's again on that 1-minute chart. We're giving back these profits. 5-minute profit every time. 1 minute, super strenuous. So that's all for me today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow.